Hey guys, it's your girl Jamila. Today I'm going to view a house in Montego Bay and I want to take you guys along with me. So come on, let's go. Today we're in Montego Bay City in Ironshore. We're viewing this development that's currently under construction. It's called Surreal at the Sugar Mill. Please stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll go ahead and share the amenities that will come with this luxurious development. There's also a unit going for 84.7 million Jamaican dollars.
We have two elevators on the property. One elevator would be straight down there, another would be on the other side of the building. The persons on the upper floor can either use the staircase or the elevator.
Let's check out the 2-bedroom units first.
So this is the entrance for the unit. So as I said, on the third floor unit will be the units with the loft. So as you come in the unit, for the standard units that don't have the loft, this is like an additional storage or whatever you want to do with this place. With the loft units, this is where the spiral stairs will be going up to the loft. Okay. So this can be additional storage or closet. This can be additional storage. The kitchen, open concept living like going up to the loft. The 2-bedroom unit is not a 2-bedroom unit or with 3 bathrooms. One from the living room, one from the master bedroom, and one from the walk-in. So this bathroom can be accessed from either the living room or from the bedroom.
This unit that we're looking at is a total of 1387 square feet, and the total amount for this is $47,817,625, and that's in Jamaican dollars. The room because I told her. Get out the water on it. Yeah, same size. Alright guys, so this is around the back. I guess this is where the pool would be. Alright, so this is first bathroom, bedroom. This is the living room, kitchen. There's also maintenance fees for all the properties that I've included in this, whether it be the 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or 3-bedroom.
Yeah, sliding glass.
Sliding glass. Okay.
So here you have this
But
it will be flat. So if there is excessive rain blowing in, there is no chance of water settling. It will just
go there.
right through.
Okay. Alright.
Most of the units will have ocean view, even ground floor units.
Okay, okay, that's nice. And the pool would be?
The pool will be right below you. Yes, where is that step? That's the step going down to the pool right there.
Okay.
So you'll have swim-up bars, you'll have a cabana style lounge here, you'll have the hot tub, there'll be a kiddie pool as well.
Okay. Nice. So, you guys taking in, what you call it again, submissions from now?
Open to persons reserving units from now, paying down.
Oh.
Get your pre-approval and get everything started. This is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms? The window? This is the bigger? Yeah, this is the master.
And what's this, a pantry? What's this? I could go on here, so.
As well
too. What's this? Washroom? Oh. Okay. Alright guys, so here you have your laundry room. They set you up with the piping and plumbing and everything. And I guess it's a little balcony.
This is the third balcony we're speaking about. This here to the side. This will be locked off. So this will have a wall locked off.
Oh, okay.
That room closet right there and a balcony.
Oh, okay.
The washroom. Yeah.
What did you say this was?
Living closet.
Living closet. Okay. Alright, so now this is the entrance to the master bedrooms. You have a, you know, a little passage area. So I'm gonna stand at the, it feels small. So I'm standing right here. So, but you have a nice view though. And that's another mini balcony. There you have tall windows. This is the entrance to the bathroom. Oh, so you have double closets. So his and hers closet space right here. And then this is your master bath. This still feels small for a master bathroom, but I guess, you know, location, amenities and everything come into play. It's small.
I think from a bathroom kind of the same size as very small.
Alright, so
you feel like you hard for breathe?
me in a mask, of course you had to breathe.
I feel like something affect me right now. None of them start feeling tired of what?
So how much square feet is this bathroom?
1387.
Alright, so 13 is right here would be the shower.
Yeah, so shower will be there, standing shower.
Right here.
You have a double sink.
Oh, okay.
I have a
Toilet.
double sink with the
In the bathroom, Jamar is in the double closets, and we're going back into the bedroom. So you have really nice ocean views here. And your pool would be over there, right there. So now we just heading back out. The ceilings are high, not all the way, but yeah. Yeah, they're on drywall because we're sleeping at the bathroom. Knock it, no?
This is the spiral stairs to go. If you standard unit, can use here for whatever you use.
Okay.
Closet, washroom, pantry.
Same layout.
Concept kitchen.
Okay.
Kitchen with the island living there. Only the one balcony.
Oh, I thought it was big and three.
Three balcony.
Okay.
This is the look.
How did you get this unit? you get a better view?
Not necessarily. Because the pool probably go there in the middle.
Yeah, the pool will be down there, so decent. So let's go look at the bedroom.
Linen closet. Bathroom, you can access the bathroom from either the living room or from the bedroom.
Okay. So what kind of doors will be right here?
I guess a regular
Board.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
regular. You get the bedrooms, all bedrooms come with
With 897 square feet, this values at 29,534,415 Jamaican dollars. So this is the bathroom for the one bedroom. Well guys, so what we learned is that on both ends you have a townhouse. So you know this one is singled out because it's a townhouse, but then you're gonna have 4 clusters right here, and on the extreme end of this is also another townhouse. There are 24 units in the clusters. That's equal amount of 2-bedroom units and equal amount of 1-bedroom units. You'll notice that the 1-bedroom units located in the center of the development. The development also features a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa at a whopping price of 84.7 million Jamaican dollars. This photograph right here is how the property should look once it's completed. I'll go ahead and leave more information in the description box below.